Welcome to the IMSA show. We're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough here to bring you in so you can see a little bit about what's going on here at the IMSA show and some of the vendors. And first of all, we're going to see Orex, which is the new company, the new name for Peak Traffic. So this is a new company over here. Well, not new, they've been around forever, but it's Peak Traffic. And we're going to continue going through. We'll see a couple of things. You'll see we've got some of the sponsors. Siemens is one of the sponsors of the show here. And then we've got ATSI, who are the testers of a lot of the equipment for conflict monitors. They're also one of the vendors at the show here. All right, we've got Encom Wireless. They're another vendor here that provides wireless systems in the show. We've got Frame Manufacturing, who provide a whole bunch of the equipment that connects all the signals onto the actual traffic signals. Multilink, another company that supplies a bunch of different things, including broadband, telecom, and a lot of different equipment in terms of what goes into the cabinets. All right, let's continue along here. We've got Polara, who provides audible pedestrian push buttons or accessible pedestrian systems, and they've got a great video. Go check it up on the YouTube channel. Great system over here with all of their technology. Okay, we've got some engineering consultants called Collins Engineers. We have got a company that provides emergency vehicle preemption systems called Tomar, which use strobe-based technology. We've got K&K Systems that provide a large number of different types of technologies, including school zones, flashing beacons, and many other things. I am actually not sure about JTI, but it looks like they do portable traffic signals. So you'll see that over here, another great company that's here at the IMSA. We've got Stalker that's providing blank out message signs, your speed signs, and also laser detection systems. As we come along here, we're going to see these bigger vehicles, which are really cool. This is Leotech. You'll see a video on Leotech on the YouTube channel as well. Go see a little bit more detail about their products. Fantastic bucket trucks that will get you up so you can actually fix up your traffic signals. As we come along here, we're going to see companies like Orange Traffic. Orange Traffic provides some of the best blank out message signs. They're based in Quebec City, and they provide fantastic traffic cabinets as well, and lane control signs. They also have a nice video on the YouTube channel. Make sure you go up and watch that video on the YouTube channel. All right, we've got Wavetronix. Wavetronix provides some of the best radar detection systems. They have advanced detection, they have stop bar detection, and they've been around the industry for a very long time. That's Wavetronix. We've got FiberTrack, providing fiber systems within the industry. All right, there's a bit of a gap over here, guys. This is, if you look behind me now, you'll see where everybody's been having lunch, and all the reception parties is all back there. And as we come down towards this end of the hall, the back end of the hall, we'll see we've got GE, who's providing traffic signal heads over here. So you'll see the actual signal heads they're providing, LED signals, reduce the power. And we've got companies like Applied Information. They've also got a nice video that you can go look at. Applied Information provides connected vehicle technology, including emergency vehicle preemption. They're providing school zone switches that actually go and change the timings of the school zones as well. Then behind us, we've actually got Pathmasters. Pathmasters is a distributor of traffic technology. You can check out their video as well on the YouTube channel. They're providing a wide range of products, including Temple Edgelit, Econolight, blank out message signs. So they've got a huge selection. They're kind of a one-stop shop here in Ohio that provides all that equipment. If we come along here, we're going to see STAM Manufacturing. They're some of the inventors of this technology with these wide platforms that allow you to actually go and work on traffic signals very, very easily. They also have a video that we've done a nice showcase on them. Fantastic, go check them out. You'll see Mr. Stam himself talking about it. As we come along here, we've got a company called Myovision. Myovision does systems that monitor traffic signals. They do a single point camera that actually looks at everything. It's a dome-shaped camera, and it'll do all of your analysis of your traffic signals. We've got another company that we're going to come up on, which is Zinc 5. Zinc 5 is a new entrant into battery backup systems, really, really high quality battery backup systems. And they obviously work with Econolite as well, private brand, the system for Econolite. So if you're looking at battery backup systems, great place to look at. We got Transline, who's providing all of the painting infrastructure in terms of putting markings on the roadway. So this is one of those companies you can look at for providing that technology to go paint your lines in your roadways. We've got Horizon Signal. Horizon Signal is providing portable traffic signs. So when you've got a construction project that you want to do, these guys are probably one of the big leaders. They have wireless links between the different portable traffic signs that you can get everything that you want from there. All right, as we come along, we're going to see Leotech. Leotech is a provider of RRFBs, school zones, and they provide, they've been a long time in this industry and provide great equipment in terms of school zones and pedestrian crosswalks. We've got Siemens, or previously RuggedCom, who provide rugged network switches, some of the best network switches on the market. Very, very rugged network switches and kind of the high-end side of network switches for cabinets. We've got Component Products. Component Products obviously is providing a lot of the bases and many other products that are going to go onto your traffic signals. Another company to look at this show. Then we've got Sentinel, turn signal heads, so you can actually put in these pieces of equipment over here. Thanks. All right, and then we've got RTC. RTC is a company providing school zone timer switches. They've got a cellular-based timer switch that allows you to remotely control signals. They've got fire warnings, RRFBs, so great company to look at. It looks like they've also got driver feedback signs. They can also provide speed feedback information. All right, now we've got Wavetronix over here. Wavetronix has also got a video. Wavetronix's video is on the YouTube channel. They're a provider of traffic signal cabinets. They build them all in Texas, and then they have a distribution that sells a whole complete set of products throughout the industry. So great company to look at, and go check out their video on YouTube. Coming across the way here, we've got Integrity Communication Solutions, which looks like a consultant group that's going to basically provide some of that information there. Behind us, we've got Siemens, or Unix Traffic. We've got a great video on the YouTube page explaining their technology and their new features of what they're bringing into the show here. We've got ComNet behind us over here, which is providing communication network equipment to connect the traffic signals together. So this is another company providing network switches basically for the traffic industry. Across the way here, we have Interlight, and this is from Traffic Control Products. They're an Interlight provider who has got camera systems. Those are FLIR cameras up there that they provide. We've got ATC Interlight traffic signal controllers in here that are providing some of the most advanced traffic signal controllers in the industry. We've got Cohu cameras, which is a CCTV PTZ pan tilt zoom camera that's providing that kind of information. Coming across, we have Cubec. Cubic is a company that has purchased Trafficware and GridSmart, and that is a company that really can provide a lot of the different equipment, and we've got a great showcase on the YouTube channel of Cubic Traffic. Behind us over here, we've got Pelco. Pelco's got another, on our YouTube channel, we've done a showcase on Pelco. They're providing a lot of the fixtures and attachments that can go on to traffic signals to actually hold the traffic signals correctly over here. They also have a pedestrian push button, audible pedestrian push button, and they provide a lot of the equipment that you really need to connect and actually put up all your infrastructure. We have the IMSA booth. What they're also showing here at the IMSA show is the next IMSA show is going to be in Orlando in July. I'll get you the exact date, but IMSA is the organization that's holding this whole conference. Behind us, we've got Leotech. Leotech is a provider of LED signals, and they provide really, really low power LED signals that are highly reliable. All right, we have got EnergySys, who is the Alpha battery backup system. Alpha is a fantastic battery backup system. This is one of their latest battery backup systems with color screens. It's got a whole new interface as well that makes it really accessible via the Ethernet. Fantastic system if you're looking for battery backup. Great place to look at. All right, we're going to continue along here. And look behind us here, we have got FLIR. We saw some of the cameras before. FLIR's got a infrared detection camera that's going to provide information in terms of where the vehicles are. You can see the images behind us. You see how it's infrared, that it picks up the cars. Great way of detecting vehicles, different to a lot of the other manufacturers because it's using that FLIR technology that's in the military, that was first developed in the military. Behind us over here, well, let's go here. Southern Manufacturing is a manufacturer of blank out message signs, LED signs for the freeways and the roadways over here, providing a whole bunch of different signs. We've got Mccain Traffic. Mccain Traffic is a company that has recently bought by Swarco, which is a company in Europe, and they provide traffic signal controllers, LED signs, so they've got a huge range of different products that they have, providing everything from ATC cabinets, parking guidance as well. Great company, look them up. Behind them we have got EDI. EDI is one of these companies that if you go to any traffic signal, they pretty much in every single traffic signal. They have got detection equipment and they've got a lot of the conflict monitors. So conflict monitors determine whether or not your traffic signal is ever in conflict. That's why the movie, The Italian Job, could never really happen here in the United States, because the conflict monitors will kick in and never ever allow two green lights in opposing directions to happen. That's thanks to these guys, EDI, who manufacture all that equipment. We've got Econolight. So there's a video showcase on Econolight on the YouTube channel. Look it up. Econolight is a system provider that's been around for a long time in the industry, one of the biggest players. They do the sensors, they do the cabinets, they do the central systems and the traffic signal controllers. If you want more information, go to the YouTube channel and you'll see some more information on their company. We've got MS Sedco. MS Sedco provide a radar unit, if I remember correctly, and that radar unit is a trajectory-based radar unit, and that unit will actually detect whether or not you've got vehicles coming. It can be used for traffic signals, wrong-way vehicle detection. It's one of the good radar units in the industry. And that is about the show. Actually, sorry, I see Census Networks there that we didn't go to. We'll go hit up the Census Networks and just what's next to them over there. Census Networks is one of these companies that has a little puck sensor that can go in the ground and detect vehicles. So instead of using video detection or loop detection, you can put in a small puck that has a 10-year-long battery. You can drop that in, and that will detect the vehicles and also detect cyclists and many other aspects behind that. We've got TronStar, who provide sort of all-stop solutions, pedestrian crosswalks, edge-lit stop signs, these major signs over here for street information. Behind them, we've got Burndy. I'm not sure what Burndy does. What do you guys do?
We tap, terminate, and splice wire.
There we go, guys. Tap, terminate, and splice wire. So in terms of being able to actually splice the connections of all the wires, these are the guys to come talk to at the IMSA show. Awesome. And we got PedSafe, who have the Campbell push buttons. Campbell push buttons are very, very similar to the Audible push buttons, and they're going to be providing a system that actually helps out the visually impaired people. So another one of the push button companies. That's a little bit of a showcase of the IMSA show and all the different vendors here. Really appreciate you guys joining us on YouTube. Hope you found this fascinating. It's a great industry to be in, and we hope to see you next year at the IMSA show in Orlando, and it's going to be a great show, and hopefully everybody can travel there. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.